All right, what's up, folks? Just wanted to share this article with you. I found this really interesting. A coworker actually brought this to me. It says NASA finds a perfectly rectangular iceberg in Antarctica as if it was deliberately cut. And this is the picture that they shared here. Let me make this a little bigger so you can see that. That just looks as if it was deliberately cut. They had to put that in there as if rectangular cut icebergs occur in nature. But yeah, so here's what we got. NASA just shared a stunning image of a nearly perfect rectangular iceberg in Antarctica. The monolithic slab of ice floating just off the Larsen C ice shelf appears quite unnatural given the 90-degree angles. Well, duh. NASA took the images as part of Operation Ice Bridge, a mission to image Earth's polar regions in order to understand how ice thickness, location, accumulation, etc. has been changing in recent years. While the iceberg is quite strange to look at, it is an entirely natural phenomenon. Most of us are used to seeing pictures of angular icebergs with just a small tip jolting out of the water. However, there is an entirely different type of iceberg called a tabular iceberg, or tabular icebergs is what they call this. So they gave it a special name because, rectangular cut icebergs occur naturally. Is what they're trying to tell people. Really? That's a entirely natural phenomenon. So, okay. That's what and they gave it a cute name too. Tabular icebergs have steep, nearly vertical sides and a flat plateau top. Tabular icebergs typically break off of ice shelves, which are tabular bodies of thick ice. When there is a clean calve of iceberg, the angles can be close to 90 degrees. In this case, the iceberg is likely not very old, as wind, waves, and sea spray will eventually winnow away the sharp edges of this iceberg and round it out. Kelly Brunt, a NASA scientist, told Live Science. My goodness, they're trying to tell people that rectangular icebergs occur in nature. Rectangular icebergs. Okay, so I'm going to post a link in the description to this article. That's all I'm going to read from this piece of crap. But let's take a look at this. Just a quick look. Okay. Where in nature do we actually see anything rectangular? Somebody let me know. You can post it in the comments if you find anything in nature that occurs rectangular out in nature. Let me know. But that right there, the flat surface, the 90-degree cuts, they're trying to tell us that that's natural. Once again, I'm going to disagree. It seems that NASA is, still on this mission to deceive people about these things. But it doesn't take a whole lot of, logical thought, rational thinking, a whole lot of common sense to conclude that this is absolutely not naturally occurring. When does that happen? Okay, so just regular land around here, not land, regular glaciers and out in the water and all that. So this might have been an accident on NASA's part. As far as this whole thing goes, but that is ridiculous. A rectangular shaped iceberg, as if it was deliberately cut. A tabular iceberg is what they call it, and they're saying that it occurs naturally. And people are going to believe that because NASA said so. Because the scientists, because their scientism priests tell them that this is naturally occurring. So I'll post a link in the description for this article so you can check it out for yourself. But I just thought this was all kinds of ridiculous because a rectangular shaped iceberg, really? And that's natural? Some people are still going to believe it just because NASA said so. And that's where we are in this society, man. These, non-thinking, ever-trusting drones, attacking us on these simple things. But anybody with two brain cells to rub together, create a little bit of friction, spark a thought, they can figure this out, that is not a natural phenomenon. So I'm gonna go with someone or something deliberately cut that. And you can have your opinion. That's just my opinion on this thing. I'm not buying it. I'm not buying that. Naturally occurring? I don't think so. So anyway, just wanted to share that with you. Have a good day. As always, be good to each other. Take care of yourself. Stay flat. I'll see you next time. Thank you.